Welcome to Mental Maths Magic. In this video, we will be talking about rectangles, how to convert its area to its perimeter, and its perimeter to its area. In the first example, the area is given. We need to find out the perimeter. We write the formula what is given. Length into breadth is equal to the area. Length into 20 is equal to 500. So length is equal to 500 divided by 20. Length is equal to 25 feet. We use this to find out the perimeter. Write the formula. We place in the numbers. "25 plus 20". That is 2 into 45. The perimeter is 90 feet. In the second example, the perimeter is given. We need to find its area. We write the formula what is given. Formula of perimeter in this case, twice L plus B is equal to the perimeter. Place in the numbers. Next we have 16 plus B is equal to 56 divided by 2 is 28. B is equal to 28 minus 16, which is 12. Next, we write the area formula. And place in the numbers. That's 16 into 12. We get the area as 192 meters square. Write the formula of what is given. This method will help you to solve many problems which you may be struggling with. Thanks for watching Mental Maths Magic.